Kem. My real name's Kem. In case you're curious, thank you for joining me for another video, and if you're new, then welcome. So today I will be deep conditioning my hair. I just used Chocolate Kinks and Kurls' newest clay wash to wash my hair, and now it's time to deep condition. So I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair with Bodyworks Split End Repair Mask. I don't have a coupon code for them, but if you are curious about this brand and want to purchase from them, my girl Daisa does over at URBANFAB Kurls, so I can put her coupon code down below if you're curious. So as you can see, this product is so thick, so thick, and it is, I believe, 16 ounces. Yeah, 16 ounces, and it is part of their almond and marshmallow line. But we're just gonna get into it. Let's see what the directions say. It says that it works in minutes to transform hair and prevent additional damage. Use weekly to strengthen hair or lessen breakage and experience fewer split ends. How to use: after shampooing, massage into the hair, working down the shaft to ends. Cover with cap, leave on hair for 40 minutes for deeper absorption inside the cuticle, add heat. 40 minutes is a long time. I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it because I still have to style my hair after this and then dry it, and my attention span is running low. So I'm gonna do it for, maybe I'll do it for 20 minutes and add heat. I might do that. But as you can see, I'm looking crazy as usual. My hair is pretty much dried out, so I'm going to start applying this product. Y'all, this product is so thick, like I can't even throw it down if I wanted to. Wow, this looks so good. Now, I've heard from a couple of curl friends that this has like some of the best slip, and it's one of the best deep conditioners we can get right now. So I'm expecting a lot from it. Oh, okay, maybe this is too thick for dry hair. I'll add a little bit of water. But it is applying pretty easily, actually, and stretching my hair out. So it smells kind of like it's a light scent. I don't know what the scent is. Oh, this does kind of smell like almonds. That's what that is. Okay, cool. So now I know what it smells like. But yeah, definitely need to add water. I don't know who I thought I was applying this deep conditioner to dry hair. Okay, so this does have really good slip. Okay, so this is my back section with the product fully applied to it. I definitely learned that my hair needs to be wet before I apply the product because it's so thick. It does have some pretty good slip. It smells nice, and it feels very moisturizing, and it's definitely defining my curls. Okay guys, so I did use heat. I did. I know I didn't feel like it, but I did. I'm glad I did, because look at how defined my hair looks. My hair looks so good. I guess this does have some strengthening properties to it, which y'all know, say with me, we love a protein moisture balance. I added some oil on top of the deep conditioner right before I put heat on it, and I used the East of Eden Natural Revitalizing Moisture Serum. I did that just to help lock in a little bit of extra moisture. But yeah, so this is how my hair is looking. Wow, look at the texture. It looks so good. I'm about to rinse it out and I will be back. Y'all, my hair, the strength that I felt when I was rinsing this product out was ridiculous. But it's the good kind of strength, because my hair still feels like it has some moisture in it. It's definitely feeling more strengthened than moisturized, but I have no problem with that. You know, I could just go in with some styling products that are moisturizing. So that's that. My hair feels good. It felt super, super good when I was rinsing it out. I felt all the curls like form in my hand. Now it's a little bit frizzy, obviously, because there's no product in it, but you can still see that I had some definition a little bit, especially like in this area right here. So I really liked this product. When I tell you guys this is gonna last forever, I add a lot of product, and like I haven't even made a dent in it yet. This is gonna take forever to finish. But the way it feels, I don't think I would use this every wash day, like once a week type thing. I would probably use it every other week, because it's feeling more strengthened than moisturized, and I like my hair to, you know, have a good balance. But that's what it says. It literally says it's for strengthening, so, and to help prevent breakage and repair split ends or something like that. I mean, obviously with a split end, you gotta cut it off, but I guess it helps prevent split ends. So, you know, that works for me. But that's all I got for you guys. My hair feels good, it looks good, it's shiny, it's dark, and it's strengthened. So that's all I needed. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a cousin to tell a cousin. Follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description box. You can also check the description box for all the coupon codes I have, and I will try to link URBANFAB Kurls' Eden Bodyworks code below too. But I will see you on the next one. Bye.